Hi you guys, today I'm just gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 2, and I'm gonna play, Zombie Attack, Escape Candyland, and yeah. So let's get started. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's start Don't Press the Button 2. It's pretty fun. I really like it. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing it. It's really fun. Okay, it's falling down the bridge. Let's go. Jump. No. Oh, you guys, I get to die. Wait, where are you? Oh. Poppy boots. Okay, what are whoa. Everyone has it good. That's more fair, you know? Run, he's going to get you. Who? What? Is it that guy? Weird kid. I don't get it. Who got me though? Oh no. Run, you guys, run. Okay, I gotta go here. This is my safe spot. Ha! I didn't. What? One. Oh, thank God someone came up. Alright. Okay. Oh, why is all gray? Okay, there's a coin. I'm getting it first. No! What was that? What? No, I have to go in that cube thing again. I hate that cube thing. Oh. Okay, you guys, today we're just gonna play Don't Press the Button, so that's what I think. Yeah, I know. This unicorn looks evil. Ooh, I died. I knew I had to go in this cube. It's so boring, this cube. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna just stop the video. Bye, you guys. Make sure to subscribe.